Okay. I was going to say, don't worry about the paper. Just rip it. Be careful. Turn it around the box. Be careful. Do you have anything to say?
Keep opening the stuff in there.
Okay. Oh, it's a charger. I'm not feeling it.
And I charged it for you, so it's all charged. And Ari programmed your name and stuff in it already.
We just have to get you a Nintendo Online account.
Yeah. So Ari already programmed your name and stuff in there, and those are a couple. Those are 3 games so far.
It came with it.
It came with it.
I played that Mario Kart thing, and it's pretty cool.
You know what that is, right?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a Nintendo Switch.
Yes, and I've got this garbage can thing in my way the whole time. It looks lovely. So what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. And it's pink.
Connor will have to teach me how to play.
Well, Cash is dying for you to get it set up so that you guys can play Fortnite together.
Oh, I think I'm old enough for Fortnite.
So he wants you to get it set up so that you can get your
If I'm old
Fortnite
enough
on
for
there.
Fortnite, I mean, I'm 10. It's not.
No, Fortnite's fine.
Yeah.
I play I play
And it's all charged. So Ari can show you where the button is to turn it on. Go show Ari and she'll show you. Yeah.
Right here. And then when you want to get to the home button's right here.
Okay.
And then press any button at the same time 3 times when you want to unlock it. And then you have all your games. You just have to put one of those discs up here to play a game.
Why are they right there?
Because they're already programmed into your Nintendo